Struggling with a garage door that won't open or close in the Albion Park Rail area? This frustrating issue can stem from a variety of problems, including malfunctioning openers, remote controls, sensors, or even a simple power outage. Don't let a stuck door disrupt your daily routine or compromise your home's security. Take action now. Call 0409-774-111 to connect with qualified garage door repair professionals who can swiftly diagnose and fix your door's issue. Our expert team is ready to restore the convenience and safety of your garage door with just one quick call.